So now my letter is almost complete. I'm gonna bind it with twine inside the envelope. Now you can put twine on the outside. You have to make sure that there's no big strings sticking out too far. But I'm just gonna roughly measure here, make a little snip, and I can always, it's better to have more than less. You can always snip the excess at the end. I'm just gonna do a simple cross over here in the back, similar that you do to a gift, but I'm going to make it a little bit offset just so you can read the address easier. So I'm crossing it over here, pulling each side tight, and I'm just going to make a simple bow on this side, tie it, and I'm going to snip off the edges just a little bit to make it look a little nicer. That's good. Now it is ready to go into the envelope. Just smudge the ink a little bit. Make sure you wait till your ink dries. Not too bad. It'll still work. So into the envelope it goes. I'm going to close it with the adhesive it already has built in. And next we're going to do a wax seal, and look at what we've got.